You're watching Tech Vibe, the channel where we explore the latest tech, break it down in simple words, and tell you what really matters. If you love staying ahead with upcoming gadgets, make sure you stick around until the end. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to arrive in September 2025. This is Apple's lightest and slimmest pro-level iPhone yet. The name Air tells the whole story. It's all about making the phone thinner, lighter, and easier to carry while still packing strong performance. Apple is aiming this model at people who want flagship power but in a lighter form factor. The design will be a big talking point. The frame is rumored to be made from a new lightweight titanium alloy, which keeps it strong but much lighter than the Pro Max. The bezels are expected to be even thinner than before, giving it a modern, edge-to-edge look. The Air will also be the first iPhone with a matte finish glass back that feels softer to the touch. This will make it less slippery while keeping it premium. The display will be a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR, old with promotion, meaning you'll get that smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness is expected to reach 3000 nits, so outdoor visibility should be excellent. Apple might also introduce a new adaptive brightness plus mode that adjusts colors and contrast for your surroundings. The iPhone 17 Air will run on the new A19 chip built on a 2nm process. That means more power with less battery drain. This chip will also improve AI features, making things like Siri smarter and device processing faster. The Air will support all the latest iOS 19 features, including upgraded widgets, smarter camera controls, and better privacy tools. Cameras will remain a strong point. The Air will likely feature a dual lens setup, with a 48MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Even though it won't have the triple lens system of the Pro Max, Apple will still give it advanced photography. Features like night mode improvements, smart HDR6, and new video stabilization for smoother handheld shots. Portrait mode will also get better subject separation thanks to the AI-powered image engine. Battery life should be impressive for such a light phone. Apple might use a new stacked battery design, allowing more capacity in a slim frame. This could give you up to 22 hours of video playback. Charging will be through USB-C with support for 3.5W fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging. The iPhone 17 Air will also have upgraded speakers for clearer audio and stronger bass. Connectivity upgrades will include Wi-Fi 7 and faster 5G performance, meaning quicker downloads and smoother streaming. Overall, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be the perfect choice for those who want a premium iPhone without the weight of the Pro Max. It's thin, light, powerful, and still delivers the top Apple experience. That's it for today's look at the iPhone 17 Air. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you the latest in tech with no fuss. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and we'll see you in the next one.